Hello everyone, my name is John Foryt with Greif. I am the Product Safety and Compliance Manager for our North American business. And today we're going to talk a little bit about performance-oriented packaging. Modern dangerous goods packaging is certified and approved based on the principles of what's known as performance-oriented packaging. This means that the emphasis for assessing the capabilities of a package design center around physical testing rather than material thickness or weight. The types of testing that the regulations require are things like drop tests, pressure tests, vibration tests, and all these are meant to mimic the harsh conditions of transport, as well as any incidents that might occur in the field. For example, the drop test assesses the ability of the package to survive a drop off something like a truck trailer or a warehouse condition. Same goes for the pressure testing. We want to ensure that if the filled product builds pressure, it won't leak. Within each of these types of tests, there are varying levels of severity that correspond with the rating the drum is expected to perform to. For example, an X-rated drum, meant for very dangerous materials, may have a required drop height of 7 or 8 feet. However, a similar Z-rated drum, meant for lower hazards, may only require a 3-foot drop test. The result of this performance-based approach is that the regulations do not specify construction requirements in most cases. It's up to the packaging manufacturer to determine an appropriate performance level based on the package design. For Greif, this means that we're constantly evaluating our drum constructions to make sure that the level of performance we're marking is appropriate for the construction itself. If you have any questions about performance-oriented packaging or any other quality topic, please feel free to reach out to your Greif representative.